Presenting the computerized peel bond strength tester, an advanced, precision-driven testing solution designed to evaluate the adhesive bond strength between bonded materials with exceptional accuracy and repeatability. In applications where reliable adhesion is critical, such as laminates, tapes, labels, films, foils, and coated materials, understanding peel performance is essential. This tester accurately evaluates how well bonded layers resist separation, ensuring products perform consistently during use, handling, and environmental exposure. Complies with international standards. Contact us today to learn how this advanced testing solution can elevate your adhesive testing capabilities.